Welcome to the bonus video where I make Jemiah a dessert. I'm gonna make her a few pieces of French toast. Her and the baby are still hungry. What do I do about this, people? Do we continue to feed them or do we just stop? I need to know for real. Because sometimes it'd be like, I'm still hungry. She had 2 PB&Js, people. What am I supposed to do?
And I was still a little hungry.
So now we're gonna make some French toast. Not too many though. And this video is sponsored by Shakira and Ebenezer Capunin. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out Shakira and Ebenezer. You'll see why in a minute. Let's get started. Just to show you how raw and authentic this is the we just got done. As you can see, make sure your pans are cold to the touch before you wash them. Do not do that water method. You can mess up your pans. That's not good. Let's move this pan out the way. All right, first thing you're gonna need. Ignore that noise. First thing you're gonna need is something to hold the stuff in. Put that on the chopping block. Next, you're gonna get 2 eggs. Or 1. I'm gonna get 1 egg. Don't get 2. If you're following along, do not get 2 eggs. I regret to inform you, I was misinformed. 1 egg. Don't put the egg in there yet. Don't rush. You're gonna get your vanilla extract, which is gonna be over here. I don't even know why I looked over there. Gentlemen, let your wives organize the kitchen. You'll never forget anything again. Vanilla extract. Focus, buddy. Thank you. Okay, let's zoom in. Don't worry, the kitchen's gonna get cleaned all together. That's one of the rules I follow. Why clean up the kitchen and then cook again? You're gonna have to clean up the kitchen twice. I'm not doing that. You're gonna need cinnamon. I'm not serious right now. I need to get more serious, but you're gonna need cinnamon. No sponsorships.
No.
We got it from Cash Saver in Oxford.
Oh, yeah.
All right, put some cinnamon in there. Don't put too much, don't put too little. What do I mean? For this 1 egg mixture, I'm putting that much in. Someone told me if you put the vanilla extract in first and mix it with the cinnamon, wow, we're so rich we didn't even open this yet. That shows you how much Jemiah been baking for me. Don't worry, her episodes are coming soon. She'll be baking soon, trust and believe. But somebody told me if you mix the vanilla extract in first, then it's much easier. So, we're gonna try that. And I'm too lazy to try to take this off the proper way, so we're just gonna... I'm not used to my wife being in here while I'm doing this. All right, pour some, let the spirit lead you on the vanilla extract. Don't worry, you won't die and you won't get drunk. Now, for our sponsorship. On our registry, which is linked in the description, by the way, if you want to, on our registry, we really wanted a waffle maker. So I had a waffle maker, it was a small one, and it broke on me for no apparent reason at all. Don't ask me why it broke, but it did. But we have some good friends who sponsored us for this video. Shakira and Ebenezer Capunin. I'm gonna put claps in. All right, this is the waffle maker they got us. I'm not gonna link it down below because I'm not sponsoring them. But get your waffle maker out, get it ready to go. You see it's not ready yet. But yes, that's enough of our sponsor. Back to the video. Now, we're gonna mix this together. You just gotta do it. Oh wow, see, this is why you shouldn't stab stuff and not throw it away. That's my fault. Mix this together. Some people add cream to theirs. Do not do that. Last time I tried that, it made the bread too soggy. Some people add home baked bread. Maybe Jemiah will bake some bread.
Oh, I found that video you sent me with the bread.
With the lady with the multiple breads?
Mm-hmm.
See, she's already being inspired. Jemiah's a baker.
It looks easy.
Gentlemen, encourage your wives. But I'm just gonna try to make sure there is no dry cinnamon in here. Somebody said if you mix the vanilla extract in the cinnamon, you won't have any issues. Now, crack the egg. Here, let's put you down. Let's put you down. There we go. Now we're gonna crack this egg. Drop the egg in there. Boom. Break the yolk, stir it all together. Grab me another egg, Jemiah. 1 egg. I was wrong. We need 2 eggs for this recipe. 1 egg is too much. Get a little milk too.
Here.
We're gonna take 1 more egg here. Drop that in there. Mix the egg in first. Break the yolk. By the way, I didn't know how the nozzle on the the cinnamon was, so I just poured to my heart's content, and it looks like it might have been too much, and now my heart is ill content. Take a little bit of milk, not too much milk, not too little bit. You'll know it when you see it. That much should do it. Thank you, Jemiah, for helping out with this video. We're gonna give this back to Jemiah. Thank you, madam. All right. Now we're gonna stir this up. And now I'm realizing this bowl might be too small for the We're gonna transfer this to a little bit of a bigger bowl. But now, your flavor profile is ready. And we're ready to get started. We're just gonna transfer this to a more rectangular bread-shaped bowl. As you can see, it pours easy. Most of the cinnamon is incorporated. Now you're gonna take 1 piece of bread. Now first off, once again, thank you for our sponsors. But first off, you see, it's ready to go. You open up that, you grab you a piece of bread. Guys, I really care about y'all to be showing y'all my secrets. It doesn't matter the brand, just dip on both sides, let it drip for a second. Now here comes the difficult part. Swing and drop. Press and flip. And you're gonna let that sit at least 2 minutes. I'm not gonna sit here with you for 2 minutes and talk about this. So I'll see you in a second. All right, it's been about 2 minutes. Don't test me on that. But here we go. Let's flip this over. All you're gonna do is take our sponsored waffle maker and lift it up. And look at that beautiful thing right there. Let me get a plate for it. Again, paper plates, guys. Save dishes. Then you don't feel so bad. Grab this out. Put that on a plate. Let me get it in the light. Look at that. Jemiah, it's time for you to taste one.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna let her try one, and then if she don't like it, we're gonna go from there. Now, me and Jemiah like 2 different types of syrup. I love this Madagascar vanilla maple syrup. Look at that. As you can see, I've been using it. I really regret using it too much. Jemiah just likes generic syrup. But here we go. Go ahead, we'll get you a fork. Go ahead. I'm gonna grab her a fork, grab her a knife. All right. This is food test number 2 for the day. Let's get her a little bit more light. All right, she's putting on some syrup. If she likes it, she's gonna get another one.
Hooray. Ooh, soft.
Yes, the bread is still soft, which is another plus of this recipe. Well,
It's good. It's not too sweet.
she said it's good.
Yeah.
You want another one? Well, guys, you heard it here first. Now, I got to wash a bunch of dishes. So that's the end of this video. Don't forget, thank you to our sponsors, Ebenezer and Shakira. Thank you, guys. We really appreciate that. All right. Bye-bye.